Hello guys, welcome back to the Riverside House Show. And today, we're playing kinetic sand.
And today is what? Today is your...
Today is your
Birthday! 7th birthday!
happy birthday, River! Can you make a castle?
Okay. Where's the castle one?
The yellow one.
This?
Yeah.
Kunin mo yung ano.
Use this.
Get mo yung pencil.
Yan.
Tapos lagyan
Help
mo
ka
na
niya,
ito
ate.
yan. Tapos press mo siya. Yan. Sige, lagyan mo yan. Yan. Kayo ni ate. Tapos press mo siya para pumasok siya dun sa ano.
Tapos doon tayo sa place na...
Yun.
Very good.
Nice.
Wow!
Nice. Na-enjoy mo na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Satisfying.
Satisfying?
Yeah.
Madalas na gamitin yung word niya.
Oo nga.